Hi guys, it's Kelly with Embroidery Nurse. So today we are going to embroider on acrylic. What? Acrylic? Seriously? No, not really. But let me tell you how awesome these new acrylic items I just ordered. I've not done any of them yet. Like literally just opened the box and was like, I need to show everybody how cool these things are. I can't wait to do all of these items. They are just so fun and so different. You know, I'm always looking for new things to add to my embroidery shop. And all of these, I guarantee you, will be in my shop soon. So let's just start opening. Literally all I did was open the top, and I'm gonna pull out each item. And I had to print out my packing slip so I could remember what each of these things were, because I can't even remember what I ordered. So the thing is, these are all acrylic items that have inserts that you can embroider on and add them to it. So it really is a monogrammed acrylic item. So this is gonna be fun, just something really different. Okay, oh, this is cute. All right, so this is a spill-proof twist top cup. And so this one is called Baby's First Cup. And they do have it in different colors, but I really liked just the white to not have too many options. I thought white would be good because then the color that you can add will be to the inside. So it's Baby's First Cup. It's a spill-proof twist top, easy to open. And this holds 5 ounces. And so you basically, here's how it works. So there's the cup itself. And what we are going to embroider will be this size, the size of this insert. And so you see how that goes on the inside, the cup itself. That's where the embroidered will be. What? So we'll do this one. And then here's the actual cup that you would fill, right? Super cute. Can't you just see a baby's name on there? How awesome this would be for a like baby shower gift. So cute. All right, so that is Baby's First Cup. So there's the first one. Try to leave them out so you can see them. All right, this one's taller. So I bet this is, oh no, this one's so cute too. Love this. This is a soap dispenser. Look at that, look how cute that is. So what we'll do with this one is, again, there's the actual dispenser. That's where the soap will be, but this is the insert. So this shows you exactly what size we need it to be. This is what we'll cut out fabric-wise. We'll in monogram. I can just imagine just a really elegant monogram. And then this would be such a cute gift to give for like Mother's Day, something that would look great in the, you know, guest bathroom with a monogram name on there. Seriously, or a monogram, not even the name, but how cute is that? So again, we're not actually embroidering on the acrylic, we're embroidering on the insert. So we provide the insert. We can pick anything. We can pick colorful fabric. We can pick white fabric with a colorful monogram. You guys, the options are endless, and I can't wait to figure out some options to do for that. So there's the soap dispenser. Okay, what else? So all of this is from Embroider This. Next up, oh, this was cute. So we had the Baby's First Cup. This is the kids tumbler. So this is perfect. And it has a straw, like a pop-up straw with it. So there's the kids tumbler. How perfect is that? So we've got the Baby's, which is the 5-ounce sippy cup. And then we have the kids tumbler that has the straw. And this holds 8 ounces. It's got an easy twist top. And then we just use the insert. That will be the template. So there's the top, but then if we unscrew it even more, that's how we get the actual insert out of there. How great is that? So you can use, they actually give you suggestion to use the paper insert that they already have in here as your template for cutting out your fabric and working on your design. So what I will probably do with each one of these is take out the insert, measure it, and make a pattern that I can use multiple times so I know exactly what size I'll need. Y'all, how cute is that? So we've got the kids cup, the baby sippy cup, and then the soap dispenser. Okay, what's next? Oh, these are cute. So I got like one of each thing that I thought would be a good addition to my shop. This, oh no, I gotta remember which one's which. I've got two different ones that are kind of, oh, okay. Okay, so this is an ornament. That's an ornament. And it's just clear. It didn't actually even come with an insert. Huh. It just came in a little baggie. So this is, let's look at that, a clear acrylic blank ornament. So what we'll do is we'll make our own template for that section right there. And it looks like you slide it in here on the side. This one looks a little more difficult because how are we going to get that in there? I wonder how well things slide in it. Let's see. This one we might have to mess around with a little bit to kind of get it to where we want it to be. I'm not sure how. Oh, okay. Well, there, we figured it out. It pops off. That makes more sense. So then we can use this to be our template, right? This clear side. And then it pops on here. Okay. Oh, yeah, I hear it click. So perfect. That's going to be great. So we'll have to see. It probably can't be very thick for it to click back on. So we'll mess with that one and I'll let you know. I'm going to give you updates on all of these as we do them. So that's really cute. Just a clear ornament, and it's got a hole at the top that we can hang from for the tree. So that'll be something that we can try. I'm a little concerned about how the back will stay on once you put fabric in there. And then here, this is super cute. So this is a coaster. So see, it's clear acrylic, and then it actually has the foam, you know, that you would use for the absorbent part, like the cork, right? And so with these, we would put the monogram right here in the center of this one. So it would be between the cork and the top. Am I doing that right? I think so. I'm gonna have to watch some videos on how to do these things. But I think that's super cute. I think this would be so cute on a table with like an elegant monogram on it as well. Like a really cute like bar gift for like a wedding or something with their new monogram. That would be super cute. So I love that idea as well. What else? Okay, so this is the one that I'm gonna make today because dun, 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 we are picking up our dog on Saturday this weekend. So I thought this was so cute. This is a small dog bowl. Since our dog will be small when we get her, we'll probably need the larger version later, but this is super cute. So it's an acrylic dog bowl, and it does have the rubber so it won't slide, so that will be good. And then you take off this little piece in the center, and that's going to be the size, and we'll put the monogram or the name right here in the middle. Seriously? A monogrammed dog bowl. How cute is that? I mean, really, they say you can monogram anything in the South, and this right here is kind of proving that. How cute is that going to be? So this is going to be done today. Yay! First one up, dog bowl. Okay, looks like we've got one more thing in here. Now, granted, they've got a lot more things on their site, but these are the things that I just felt like would be great additions to things that I already do. I do a lot of kids and children's things, so having things that can kind of complement that are super fun. Oh, I love this. And look, they even have it where it looks like it's already been monogrammed. So that gives you the idea of what you can do with this. So this is great. This is a, what do they call it actually? A kid's snack holder. So how perfect. Like this as a set would be such a cute gift. So it's got an easy twist top, can hold 12 ounces. And then you just create the insert that you want. And I do love how they kind of showcased it, where it's a monogram name on some purple gingham fabric. That's so cute. But again, what I love is we can make these gift sets. We can have, you know, these two matching, or if it's a baby, you could literally have this one and this one that match. So they could have either option, the baby sippy cup or the kids tumbler. How awesome are these, guys? What great additions that these could be to your shop if that's something that you would like to work on. But we're gonna be embroidering on acrylic. So again, obviously not really on the acrylic, but how cute are these acrylic items that we can add our embroidery work in as inserts. So I'm gonna work on each one of these. And again, the very first one I'm gonna do is the dog bowl. So my dog will have something to eat out of this weekend. And I'll show you what it looks like and how fun and easy it was to do. Hopefully it's not too hard to kind of figure out the dimensions and whatnot. And I'm sure I'll have to test it out a few times to make sure the size fits right. But you know, taking something out like this and measuring it and using that as my pattern, we'll do that. So can't wait to get started on some of these items. If you have questions about any of them, please let me know. I'm a little hesitant on some, but we're going to give them all a go and see if these are worthy of adding to our shop in the future. Hope y'all have a great day. Happy stitching.